In this question, we have to find correct statement regarding inductive effect. Now, first statement, it is permanent effect. This is correct. For example, we have carbon chain, and chlorine is attached with carbon chain. Now, chlorine acquire partial negative and carbon acquire partial positive charge. Now, chlorine will always have partial negative and carbon will always have partial positive charge. So here partial charges created on molecule are permanent, and hence inductive effect is permanent effect. While if we take chlorine molecule, in chlorine molecule, due to electronic disbalance, one atom may acquire partial negative and one atom may acquire partial positive charge. After some time, now this chlorine may have negative and this chlorine may have positive charge. Now these partial charges are temporary, but during inductive effect, chlorine become permanent negative and carbon become permanent positive. So inductive effect is permanent effect. It is property of sigma bond. Yes, this is also correct. During inductive effect, electrons of sigma bond are partially shifted towards more electronegative atom. So statement B is also correct. It causes permanent polarization in the molecule. Yes, this is also correct. So option A, B, C all are correct, and hence correct answer is D. In this question, we have to find correct statement regarding inductive effect. Now, first statement, it is permanent effect. This is correct. For example, we have carbon chain, and chlorine is attached with carbon chain. Now, chlorine acquire partial negative and carbon acquire partial positive charge. Now, chlorine will always have partial negative and carbon will always have partial positive charge. So here partial charges created on molecule are permanent, and hence inductive effect is permanent effect. While if we take chlorine molecule, in chlorine molecule, due to electronic disbalance, one atom may acquire partial negative and one atom may acquire partial positive charge. After some time, now this chlorine may have negative and this chlorine may have positive charge. Now these partial charges are temporary, but during inductive effect, chlorine become permanent negative and carbon become permanent positive. So inductive effect is permanent effect. It is property of sigma bond. Yes, this is also correct. During inductive effect, electrons of sigma bond are partially shifted towards more electronegative atom. So statement B is also correct. It causes permanent polarization in the molecule. Yes, this is also correct. So option A, B, C all are correct, and hence correct answer is D. In this case, we have to find correct decreasing minus I power of different groups. Now NO2 is having maximum electron withdrawing minus I effect because it is having partial positive charge on nitrogen, partial positive charge on sp2 hybridized atom, then C triple bond N. Now this carbon is sp hybridized. Along with sp hybridization, due to higher electronegativity, it is have very strong minus I effect, but it also have partial positive charge due to polarization of carbon nitrogen bond. Now sp2 hybridized nitrogen is more electronegative than sp hybridized carbon, so NO2 will withdraw more electron comparison to Cn. Now from fluorine and NS2, fluorine is having higher electronegative than NS2, so then F and then NS2. So this is correct order of minus I effect, hence 2, 1, then 4 and 3. Option A is correct. Which one of the following is vinyl carbocation? So in this question, we have to identify out of given carbocation which is known as vinyl. Now first C6H5CH2, this is called benzyl radical, benzyl group. CH2 double bond CH, CH2 is called allyl. Now this is benzyl, this is allyl, and CH2 double bond CH group is called vinyl group. Now if this is carbon is having positive charge, now this is called vinyl carbocation. This carbon is having positive charge, now this is allyl carbocation. And if this carbon is having positive charge, now this is called benzyl carbocation, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to identify which of the following ion is most stable. Now stability of carbocation can be explained on the basis of inductive effect. Now first is 1 degree carbocation. Now this 1 degree carbocation is stabilized by inductive effect of inductive effect of one ethyl group, so plus I of one group. In option B, now this is 2 degree carbocation, and this carbocation is stabilized by inductive effect of both methyl and ethyl group. In option 3, now this is 3 degree carbocation, and this is stabilized by plus I effect of 3 alkyl group. Stability of carbocation can be explained on the basis of number of electron donating group. Higher the number of electron donating group, higher is the stability of carbocation, and inversely proportional to electron withdrawing group, so directly proportional to plus I and inversely proportional to minus I. So now tertiary carbocation is having 3 plus I donating group, so this is most stable. While option D, now this is 1 degree carbocation. Among 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree, 3 degree is most stable, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find correct decreasing order of stability of free radical. Now stability of free radical is similar to stability of carbocation. Stability of free radical is directly proportional to plus I effect and inversely proportional to minus I effect, because free radicals are also electron deficient, and any electron donating group will stabilize free radical. Now tertiary butyl radical, if we take tertiary butyl radical, now this is stabilized by plus I effect of 3 group, so 3 degree radical is most stable. Then 2 degree radical, which is stabilized by plus I effect of 2 methyl group, so 3 is most stable, then 2. Now first is having plus I effect of 1 methyl group, so 1, and 4th is least stable because not stabilized by plus I effect, and hence correct sequence is 3, 2, 1 and then 4, and option D is correct. In this question we have to identify correct stability order of given carbon ion. Now carbon ion first is having negative charge on sp3 hybridized atom. Now second is having negative charge on sp2 hybridized atom, and third is having negative charge on sp hybridized atom. Now with increasing electronegativity of central atom, stability of anion also increases. So carbon ion stability is directly proportional to electronegativity of atom. Negative charge is more stable on more electronegative atom. Now among 1, 2 and 3, sp hybridized atom is having maximum electronegativity, then sp2 and then sp3, and hence correct stability order is 3, 2, 1. 1 is least stable, then 2 and 3 is most stable, and hence correct answer is B, 3, 2 and 1. In this question we have to identify correct stability of carbon ion. Now first carbon ion is having negative charge on sp3 hybridized atom. Now second is having negative charge on sp hybridized atom. Third and fourth are having negative charge on sp2 hybridized atom. Third and fourth both are having negative charge on sp2 hybridized atom. Now negative charge is more stable on electronegative atom. Stability of carbon ion increases with increasing electronegativity of atom. Now out of sp2, sp and sp3, sp is most electronegative, then sp2 and then sp3, and hence B is most stable. Among A, B, C, D, if we compare stability, now B is most stable. Now C and D both are having negative charge on sp2 hybridized, but this is 2 degree carbon ion, now this is 1 degree, and 1 degree is more stable, so B, C, D and then A. So B is most stable and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find correct statement about inductive effect. Now if we consider statement 1, it implies the transfer of lone pair of electron from more electronegative atom to less electronegative. This is incorrect, because during inductive effect electrons of sigma bond are transferred from less electronegative atom to more electronegative. So option A is incorrect. Option B, it implies the transfer of lone pair of electron from less electronegative atom to more electronegative atom. Electrons are shifted from less electronegative to more electronegative inductive effect, but electrons of sigma bonds are shifted. So this statement 2 is also incorrect. Increases with increasing distance, it is also incorrect, because inductive effect is inversely proportional to distance. With increasing distance, inductive effect decreases. So statement A, B and C are incorrect. It implies the atom's ability to cause bond polarization. This is correct. During inductive effect, electrons are shifted towards more electronegative atom, or electrons are polarized towards more electronegative atom. So statement D is correct. Which of the following statement is correct regarding inductive effect? So in this question we have to find correct statement for inductive effect. Now option A, electron donating inductive effect is more powerful than electron withdrawing. This is incorrect statement, because electron donating, donate electron, electron withdrawing, withdraw electron from carbon chain. We cannot compare that which group is donating more or which group is withdrawing more. So option A is incorrect. It implies shifting of sigma electrons from more electronegative atom to less electronegative. This is also incorrect, because during inductive effect electrons of sigma bond are shifted towards more electronegative atom. Now option C, it implies the shifting of sigma electron from less electronegative to more electronegative atom in a molecule. Now this is correct. Option D, it increases with increasing distance. This is also incorrect. So correct answer is C. In this question we have to find correct decreasing order of minus I effect of triad. So now those groups which have complete positive charge have powerful electron withdrawing effect. So NH3 positive is having maximum electron withdrawing effect among given. Now NO2 is having partial positive charge. Now oxygen being more electronegative acquire partial negative, and nitrogen acquire partial positive. So first those are most withdrawing which are having complete positive, then those are which are having partial positive. Now NO2 and CN both are having partial positive charge, but still NO2 is more withdrawing compared to CN. Reason, because this is sp2 hybridized atom. Now this is sp hybridized carbon. Now sp2 hybridized nitrogen is having higher electronegativity than sp hybridized carbon, and hence NO2 is more withdrawing compared to CN, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to identify which of the following is most stable carbocation. Now stability of carbocation depend on electron donating group. Electron donating group decreases positive charge on carbon, and increases stability of carbocation, while electron withdrawing group increases positive charge on carbon, and with increasing charge stability of carbocation is decreased. So we can write plus I effect increases stability of carbocation and minus I effect decreases stability of carbocation. Now in option A, CH3 CH2 positive. Now this CH3 is having plus I effect, and due to plus I effect stability of carbocation is increased. In second case, CH2 positive CHCl2. Now this molecule is having 2 electron withdrawing group. Now these electron withdrawing group decreases stability of carbocation. In option C, CH2 positive CH2Cl, again Cl is present. Now this Cl will withdraw electron from carbon chain and decrease stability. In option D, CH2 positive CCl3. Now this is having 3 electron withdrawing group, so least stable. So if we compare stability among A, B, C and D, now A is most stable because not having any electron withdrawing group, then C having only one withdrawing group, then B and D is least stable, and most stable among these carbocation is A. In this question we have to find which of the following is the rearranged more stable carbocation of given carbocation. Now this carbocation is having only 3 alpha hydrogen, and if methyl shift takes place, now this will be converted to comparatively more stable tertiary carbocation. Now this carbocation is having total 8 alpha hydrogen, so after 1,2 shifting it will be converted to this carbocation, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find CH3 negative carbon ion is less stable than. So with compared to other, CH3 negative is more stable. There is only one carbon ion which is more stable than CH3 negative. So now if we compare CH3 negative and CH3 CH2 negative, now CH3 negative is more stable. If we compare second CH3 negative with 2 degree carbon ion, so 1 degree carbon ion is more stable. Now if we take option 3, CH3 negative and CH2 negative N2, now CH3 negative is less stable than nitro group, nitro methyl carbon ion, because this is having very strong minus I effect. So CH3 negative is less stable than CH2 negative NO2, and hence correct answer is C. While if we take option D, now CH3 negative and CH3 C2H5, then again CH3 negative is more stable. In this question we have to find correct stability of following given carbocation. Now stability of carbocation depend on magnitude of positive charge. If positive charge is less, then carbocation is more stable. Now positive charge can be decreased if electron donating groups are present. So plus I effect increases stability of carbocation. Now if we take primary, secondary and tertiary carbocation, now tertiary carbocation, in tertiary carbocation 3 alkyl radical or electron donating groups are present. Then 2 degree carbocation, now in 2 degree carbocation 2 electron donating groups are present. Then 1 degree carbocation, only 1 electron donating group, and methyl carbocation is least stable. So with increasing plus I effect, stability of carbocation increases. So 3 degree more stable, then 2 degree, then 1 degree, then methyl or 0 degree, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to identify most stable carbon ion among given. Now carbon ion are electron rich species having 8 electron in outermost shell. So any electron donating group will destabilize carbon ion, while electron withdrawing group stabilize carbon ion. So if minus I groups are present, they will stabilize carbon ion, while if plus I groups are present, they will destabilize carbon ion. Now if we consider first carbon ion, now this is 2 degree carbon ion. Now this is destabilized by plus I effects of 2 group. In second option, tertiary butyl carbon ion, 3 degree carbon ion is present. Now this carbon ion is destabilized by plus I effect of 3 group. In option C, carbon ion is 1 degree. In option D, it is also tertiary carbon ion but having more plus I effect, because plus I effect of